Okay, continue with vulcanization of rubber. Okay, natural rubber is soft and easily oxidized when exposed to the air for a long period of time. This condition renders natural rubber unsuitable to be used for certain condition or application. So, the characteristic of natural rubber can be improved by undergoing the vulcanization process. Okay, what is the vulcanization process? Vulcanization process is producing rubber that is more elastic and with better quality through the production of cross-link with between polymer chain. Okay, during the vulcanization process, the double bond between carbon found in rubber molecule will react with sulfur or other substance to produce sulfur cross-link as shown in figure 4.8. Okay, as you can see here, okay, this is the natural rubber. Okay, this is the natural rubber. Natural rubber ini kita panggil unvulcanized. Okay, here the alternative vulcanization method. Okay, vulcanization of using sulfur is main method used to produce vulcanized rubber from natural rubber. Nonetheless, this vulcanization method cannot be used for certain types of rubber, particularly synthetic rubber which does not contain double bond carbon. Okay, so there are a few alternative vulcanization methods that can be utilized to produce vulcanized rubber without using sulfur as shown in figure 4.10. Okay, so here we have three types of alternative vulcanization, which is we can use the peroxide, we can use the irradiation, okay, or we can use the metal oxide to vulcanize the rubber, natural rubber. Vulcanized rubber produced is free from sulfur and more environmentally friendly. Okay, so vulcanized rubber yang terhasil daripada alternative vulcanization ini adalah free from sulfur lah, tak ada sulfur dan lebih mesra alam. So bila kita buang produk yang diperbuat daripada vulcanized rubber, okay, ianya tidak akan mencemarkan persekitaran. Okay, here is the link of the notes, okay, about the alternative vulcanization method. Okay, but here we cannot see the notes. Okay, and then after this I will give you to I will give in the group. Okay, continue. Okay, here the investigating of elasticity of vulcanized rubber. Okay, yang ini I will discuss with you on the next weeks. Okay, just patient, sabar. Okay, so here the properties of vulcanized rubber. Okay, what is the properties of vulcanized rubber? Vulcanized rubber has different characteristics from unvulcanized rubber due to the formation of cross-link during the vulcanization process as shown in figure 4.12. Okay, as you can see here, unvulcanized rubber or natural rubber, okay, here the rubber particle before stretching. Okay, and then when it is stretched, it becomes straight, and after stretching, it cannot be same as the early lah. Dia tak sama macam yang awal. So that means ia akan melonggar macam ni. Okay, but vulcanized rubber, when it have the sulfur cross link, okay, so before stretching, okay, dia punya structure, okay, like this. Okay, during stretching we have the particles straight. Okay, after stretching it will become as early. Dia akan balik kepada struktur yang sama pada asalnya lah. Okay, so this condition, the formation of sulfur cross-link reduce the double bond between two carbon atoms in vulcanized rubber that make it harder to be oxidized. Strong sulfur cross-link prevent the rubber polymer from sliding when it stretches and can return to its original shape when released. High heat energy is needed to break the linkage. Okay, so that's why the vulcanized rubber is harder. Okay, this condition make vulcanized rubber more elastic and has high heat resistance. Okay, this unique characteristic of vulcanized rubber allows various items to be produced, okay, compared to unvulcanized rubber. Okay, that's the point. How do the characteristic of vulcanized rubber differ from unvulcanized rubber? Okay, so here the point that you can use to explain what is the difference between vulcanized rubber and unvulcanized rubber. Okay. So next, okay, here is the summary about the differences between unvulcanized rubber and the vulcanized rubber. Okay, as you can see here, vulcanized rubber is more elastic, hard, high strength. Okay, that's mean harder. Okay, resistant to high heat, more resistant towards oxidation. But unvulcanized rubber less elastic, soft, low strength, okay, less resistant to high heat and easier to be oxidized. Okay, so that the difference between vulcanized rubber and unvulcanized rubber.